Imagine a city thousands of years ago where every home had private bathrooms and running water. In the ancient Indus Valley, cities like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa stunned archaeologists with their intricate sanitation systems. Streets were lined with covered drains, and houses boasted brick-lined bathrooms connected to a citywide sewage network. Even today, this level of urban hygiene is rare in ancient civilizations. The people of the Indus Valley set a standard for public health and city planning that was centuries ahead of its time, forever changing how cities could function.